Cancer thrives in an acidic environment, which makes maintaining a balanced pH essential for overall health. Previously, health expert Barbara O'Neill discussed 7 alkaline-forming foods that help create a body environment resistant to diseases like cancer. Today, we're shifting focus to the foods that have the opposite effect, acid-forming foods. These contribute to an acidic environment in the body, which can create conditions favorable for cancer and other chronic illnesses. In this detailed guide, we'll discuss why maintaining a healthy pH is critical and take a deep dive into 8 acid-forming foods to minimize or avoid for better health. Let's start with why pH balance matters. Why is maintaining a healthy pH balance important? The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is, ranging from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral, while below 7 is acidic and above 7 is alkaline. Different parts of the body function best at specific pH levels. Blood, slightly alkaline at 7.35 to 7.4. Cellular environment, ideally neutral to slightly alkaline, but becomes problematic at acidic levels like 5.5. An acidic cellular environment creates the perfect conditions for the growth of harmful organisms like yeast, fungi, and cancer cells. Cancer, in particular, thrives in environments with low oxygen and high acidity. Additionally, the consumption of sugar exacerbates the problem as it feeds cancer cells. To counteract these conditions, an alkalizing diet is essential, but equally important is the reduction of acid-forming foods that contribute to pH imbalance. Let's explore the key offenders. What are acid-forming foods? Acid-forming foods are those that, after digestion and metabolism, increase the body's acid load. They are typically high in minerals like phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine. These foods can deplete the body's alkaline mineral reserves, such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are necessary for buffering acids and maintaining a healthy pH. Now let's look at the top acid-forming foods to limit in your diet. Limit 1 meat. Red meat, processed meats, and even poultry are some of the most acid-forming foods in the typical Western diet. They are high in protein, phosphorus, and sulfur, all of which increase the body's acid load. Dr. Colin Campbell's research revealed that the amount of meat and dairy in the diet can directly influence cancer cell growth. Why it's a problem? Excessive consumption leads to a buildup of acid in the body, overburdening the kidneys, and depleting alkaline minerals like calcium. 2. Hybridized wheat. Modern wheat is vastly different from its ancient ancestor, einkorn wheat. Today's wheat has undergone extensive hybridization, creating a more complex gluten structure that is difficult to digest. This hybridization has also increased its acid-forming potential. Why it's a problem? Gluten intolerance, marked by brain fog and bloating, is more prevalent due to the indigestibility of modern wheat. Hybridized wheat also lacks the nutritional profile of ancient grains. 3. Caffeine. Caffeinated beverages like coffee, tea, and energy drinks are highly acidic and can deplete the body of vital alkaline minerals. Excessive caffeine consumption also stresses the adrenal glands, contributing to hormonal imbalances and fatigue. Why it's a problem? Caffeine consumption creates an acidic environment, and when combined with sugar, as in sodas, it amplifies the body's acid load. For instance, Coca-Cola has a pH of 2.6, making it one of the most acidic beverages. 4. Refined sugar. While sugar itself is pH neutral, its metabolism creates acidic byproducts, such as lactic acid. Additionally, it depletes the body of alkaline minerals and promotes inflammation, further contributing to acidity. Why it's a problem? Sugar disrupts the gut microbiome, favoring the growth of acid-producing bacteria. It also fuels cancer cells, which thrive on glucose. 5. Aged cheese. Aged cheeses, such as blue cheese, Parmesan, and cheddar, are highly acid-forming due to their high protein and phosphorus content. Mold in blue cheese further contributes to acidity. Why it's a problem? Aged cheeses require significant buffering by alkaline minerals, potentially leading to mineral depletion. 6. Alcohol. Alcohol, although not a food, is metabolized into acetaldehyde, a neurotoxin that is highly acidic. Chronic consumption not only contributes to pH imbalance, but also damages vital organs like the liver and brain. Why it's a problem? Alcohol depletes the body's alkaline reserves and creates a toxic environment conducive to disease. Here's how to structure your diet. Increase alkaline foods, Include more leafy greens, vegetables, fruits, and plant-based proteins. Moderate acid-forming foods. Opt for whole grains, fresh dairy, and minimally processed meats. Avoid harmful acidic foods. Reduce intake of sugar, alcohol, processed meats, and hybridized wheat. Your body's internal environment plays a pivotal role in determining your overall health. By reducing acid-forming foods and increasing your intake of alkaline-forming foods, you can create conditions that discourage disease and promote vitality. The changes may seem small, but the impact on your health can be profound. Are you ready to take charge of your health? Start by making gradual adjustments to your diet and watch how your body responds. Remember, balance is key. Your health is worth the effort.